Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create poll on WhatsApp very easily, because sometimes we want to create a poll for voting on WhatsApp. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and here select any contact. So after this, here you can see this icon, so just click on it and then you can see poll, and you can also see the icon of 3 lines, so just click on it and here write the question. For example, I am writing here what is your favorite game. So after writing here add options, so write any options. So after that write the another options. So again write the another options. So after writing the options, here you can see sending option, so just click on it and here you can see the poll is created. So when anyone select, so you can see one vote is cast. So guys, in this way you can create poll on WhatsApp very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.